I'm Karena, author and founder of Scolio-Pilates. This is your 3-exercise spine lengthening, spine strengthening exercise program. And this exercise program is for you if you have scoliosis, if you have back pain, if you've ever had back pain, and if you're just looking to recreate, to find that length in the spine that may have dissipated over the years. This is for you. So let's go ahead and get started. We're going to start first with the hands behind the head and thumbs at the jaw. And I want you to just give me 20% effort here, not a whole lot. And so you're just going to lift very gently, open up the front of the chest, the elbows reach to the sides of the room, not to the back of the room. So elbows to the sides, that's it. And then as you're reaching up here, take a little inhale. Feel the ribs broaden in all directions. And then as you exhale, feel the stomach hug the spine and feel the spine move to an imaginary river that's floating up towards the ceiling. That imaginary river is going to grab the little hairs that are on your back and pull you straight up to the sky. Now that river is going to move a little faster, and now you can give me 30% effort. That's it, as the spine or as the river continues to draw the spine up. So a little inhale here, broaden the ribs in all directions, all directions. Exhale, feel the river draw you to the ceiling. Now, as long as you're doing okay here, you can increase the strength of the river. That river can pull you a little higher, a little higher, a little stronger, but don't overdo it. No crazy stretching here. Inhaling, open up the rib cage. Exhaling, stomach to the spine, spine to the river, and you get lengthened to the ceiling. Very, very nice. Okay, let's give it a little wiggle. So we're going to go in order of how hard these exercises are. That last exercise can be as hard or as easy as you want it to be. You just increase the strength of the river. You just have to be careful not to overstretch, okay? And that means, overstretching basically means if it feels like an amazing stretch to the point that it almost hurts, that's too much stretch. Okay, so we're going to grab the K-wedge. If you don't have a K-wedge, then you can grab a towel or a little blanket and then just fold it up into pieces here and then put your hips on top of that. But I'm going to use the K-wedge. We have this wedge being used by our hospitals. The Mayo Clinic is using this wedge for their pain clinic. Super happy about that. You're going to place your hips at the top of the ledge or on your towel. You're going to lengthen your head down. And you're going to stand on your toes and then lengthen to the tops of your feet here. Create a letter X with your arms. Reach your head away. Reach your toes away. Little inhale. Broaden the ribs. Exhaling. You pull your stomach in so hard and you reach your head away so far that the head has no choice but to lift away from the floor just a little bit. Inhale. Reach the toes. Reach the fingers. Broaden the ribs. Exhale. You reach the head away so far, it has no choice but to lift. That's great work. Keep going here. Inhale, reach the fingers, reach the toes, and floating up. Inhale, reach the fingers and toes. You can stand on your toes and reach through the heels if you'd like. Exhale, reach the head, and floating up. You have 2 more. Inhaling. And exhaling. Last time, inhaling, exhaling, reaching up. Excellent work. Come on off of there. Give your spine a little wiggle. And then from here, put your towel away. And you're going to put your feet on your wall. Okay, so I'm going to reach myself long. Both feet go on the wall. Both arms go overhead. Woo! The balance is a little tricky here. And then you're going to inhale and reach. And exhale, lift the top leg and coming down. Inhale, reaching the top leg and coming down. Remember, on the inhale, those ribs spread apart. You just have 2 more here for 6. 1 and 2. We're going to flip to the other side. Now, you can do all kinds of variations here. You can add little circles. You can go forward and back. In fact, on this side, we'll try a different variation. We'll go down. Feet are firmly on the wall. And from here, I'm going to lift my leg up, and we're going to take little circles. 1 and 2. Inhale for 2. I'm reaching through both sides of my spine here. And reverse it. Inhaling and exhaling. Inhaling and exhaling. That's excellent work, everyone. That was really good. Take a little seat. And we'll take a little inhale up to a letter V. Nice tall spine. And exhale your way back down. Last time. Inhale your way up. Long, long spines. Exhale your way down. So this has been your spine lengthening and strengthening program. Remember that in general, we're going to work to lengthen the spine, and we're going to follow that up with strengthening. That was great, everybody. Thank you very much. I'm Karena Tech, author and founder of Scolio-Pilates.